Today we are going to show you how to prepare and glaze a Christmas ham. When I say we, I mean Saxon. We're going to be using a ready-made glaze from Woolworths, which takes so much time out of it, but really it is about how you prepare it, how you score it, how you cook it, and he knows far much more than me on that. So I'm going to go read a book and leave you to it.
Okay, getting started. We want to remove this skin, leaving as much fat on the ham as possible. Most hams you can actually just peel the skin back in one piece. Yep, nice and easy. Okay, skin's gone now, so we just want to heat up our glaze on low before we start scoring and cloving the ham. You're going to need a bunch of cloves. They look fantastic. They've got an incredible aroma. What we do is we lay them out in beautiful little lines, so we've got a guide for our scoring. Now that we've laid our cloves down, we've got a nice easy track to cut into our meat, into our fat, and we want to score reasonably deeply so that the glaze gets right in onto the ham. Now remember, scoring's a crisscross, so we'll run it one way and then we'll run it back the other way. It's time to get our glaze on. I like using these really soft, I think they're rubber or silicone brushes. We just paint it on all over the exposed fat. And that smells fantastic already, actually. Lovely cinnamony, spicy apple.
Say that.
Okay, so this is the second time out of the oven. So we'll give it another glaze. You can see it's cooking up beautifully. One thing that's nice to do is to change the direction of the ham every time you put it back into the oven, so you get a really even cook on both sides. Makes it funky.
So good. This is why I love you. Look at the ham you made me.
So there we go, an hour or so in. You can tell an Aussie chef's been involved when you see lots of burnt bits around the outside, but that's why we love it.
It smells amazing and it looks so cool. You're going to be an instant hero on it. Actually, I'll be a hero on the day because guess who glazed it? Sax, sensational. Guys, try it. It was super easy. At least it looked it from the couch. Merry Christmas from us.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.